Wow, look at this nice cabbage sabji, Kobichi Bhaji. Welcome to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. How are you doing today? I really hope you all are doing well. And if you have not subscribed to my channel yet, please do so by clicking on the subscribe button. So let's make a simple Kobichi Bhaji or cabbage sabji, dry cabbage sabji in our instant pot. This recipe I invented because otherwise you need a lot of babysitting for this cabbage sabji. For that I just took 500 grams of cabbage and I cut it in small pieces. Here let's see, I took like oil, around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil, mustard seeds, hing or Asafoetida. It is turmeric powder, green chillies. These are 3 green chillies. This is soaked chana dal, optional ingredient, but we like it in our cabbage sabji. And this is cumin and coriander powder, just half a teaspoon. Salt to taste, and curry leaves. These are like 7 to 8 curry leaves, and I just roughly cut them. So let's get started. I've just put my instant pot on saute high, and I'm just going to wait till my display turns hot. Right now it's on, so it will turn hot within 1 to 2 minutes. So after the display turned into hot, I'm just adding oil and I'm going to wait for another minute, and then I will add the mustard seeds. Let's add mustard seeds and it will splutter immediately, if you can see, because we waited for the instant pot to turn hot. The oil is pretty hot now, and it won't take longer for the mustard seeds to crackle. As you can see, our mustard seeds are spluttering so nicely. I'm just going to turn off my saute mode because the oil is really hot right now and it may burn other spices. I'm just adding the curry leaves, the chillies, and turmeric powder. It's around 2 teaspoons, and hing, Asafoetida, a pinch. And I'm just going to add my cabbage, just a quick stir. And I'm just going to add my cabbage to it. The oil is pretty hot, so just be careful. And on top of that, I'm adding the soaked dal and coriander and cumin powder. This is again optional. Give a quick mix. So for instant pot to come to pressure, we need water. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to add the same water in which I had soaked my chana dal. It has a lot of nutrients in it, so we don't want to waste those nutrients. But if you're not adding any chana dal, don't worry, you can just add tap water, any water which you use. Put half a cup of that water and just a quick stir. Okay, and now last but not obviously the least ingredient here is salt to taste. Again, a quick stir. I feel that I'm going to need a little more water, so I'm going to add maybe just about 30-40 ml of water, so like around 3 tablespoons of water in it. that's it. Now I'm going to put the lid. Now in this particular pot, I don't have like a vessel. It directly goes on the sealing position. This is my Instant Pot Duo Gourmet, and so this is the quick release button in this. I'm going to show you what we do for manual mode. So I'm going to put it on pressure cook for 6 minutes, and I will come back. 6 minutes are over, and what I'm going to do is I'm just going to release the pressure. I waited for 3 to 4 minutes after 6 minutes over, and I'm just going to release the pressure. It took around 2 minutes to release the pressure, and I'm just going to open the Instant Pot. Ooh. Look at this beauty. The cabbage sabji is cooked perfectly, and I'm going to take it out in a nice kadhai. Wow, look at this nice cabbage sabji, Kobichi Bhaji, and I'm just going to garnish it with cilantro, and you can eat it with roti, chapati or paratha. I hope you like this video, and so if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to Kirti's Kitchen Katta. Happy cooking. Bye bye.